Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade on IC markets. And right now we just created our account and we verified it. And now what we're gonna do is we will trade with a demo account to show you exactly what you need to do. So first of all, we create a demo account by clicking on demo account. We want a standard account, select right here the currency, so US dollars, 1 to 30 is fine. And then the initial deposit is 100k, that is fine to start. You can decide if you want to use MetaTrader 5 or cTrader or MetaTrader 4. So decide what you want to use. Then we click right here on proceed. And then right now we created our account. So refresh this page and then right now our trading can start. Because what we're gonna do now is we click here on downloads. And from here we go to WebTrader because I want to use the WebTrader. You can also use MetaTrader 5. For how to do that, check out a video on my channel because I already created that. But right now for the WebTrader, we click here on Open WebTrader. And then right here we select the demo account. So do continue to MT5. Then right now he automatically sent me to this page. But if you don't have any idea how to come there, we go back to accounts. And then you need to fill in this as your login and click here on the I, and this is your password. So make sure that you fill that in. And then after that, you will see this page right here. And now this is where the magic happens, because right now, if you click here on new order, we can create right here a new order. So first of all, select the volume. So 1 Solana is fine. You can create a stop loss by clicking here on stop loss or take profit. So where you can decide what you want to create there. And then after that, just click right here on buy. And now we have our position right there on Solana. Now we can also do this exactly the same for a sell position. So right now, if you click here on sell, we also have a sell position right here on the chart. So this is how you can trade right here on IC markets. If you have any questions, please comment them below. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.